Comparing Google Analytics event tracking and Universal Analytics is essential for understanding the evolution of Google Analytics and making informed decisions about your analytics setup. To begin, let's define the key concepts. Google Analytics event tracking refers to the process of tracking specific user interactions on your website, such as button clicks or form submissions, using the traditional Google Analytics tracking code. Universal Analytics, on the other hand, is a more advanced tracking system that provides a more comprehensive understanding of user behavior across devices and platforms. The first step in comparing these two is to examine the differences in data collection. Universal Analytics uses a more robust tracking code that can collect data from multiple sources, including websites, mobile apps, and offline interactions. In contrast, traditional event tracking is limited to website interactions. Next, consider the differences in user identification. Universal Analytics uses a unique user ID to track users across devices and platforms, providing a more accurate picture of user behavior. Traditional event tracking, however, relies on cookies and IP addresses to identify users, which can be less accurate. Now, let's look at the differences in data analysis. Universal Analytics provides more advanced analysis capabilities, including cross-device tracking, audience reporting, and data import. Traditional event tracking, on the other hand, is limited to basic event reporting and analysis. In terms of setup and implementation, Universal Analytics requires more configuration and setup, including the creation of a new tracking code and the implementation of user ID tracking. Traditional event tracking, however, can be set up quickly and easily using the Google Analytics interface. Best practices for comparing Google Analytics event tracking and Universal Analytics include starting with a clear understanding of your analytics goals and objectives, evaluating the limitations and capabilities of each option, and considering the resources and expertise required for implementation. In conclusion, comparing Google Analytics event tracking and Universal Analytics requires a thorough understanding of the key concepts, differences, and best practices. By following these steps and considering the unique needs and goals of your organization, you can make an informed decision about which analytics setup is right for you.